Hi YouTube, this is Tara and welcome back to my channel. I don't know what's going on with my phone. I cannot record this video. So this video gonna be short and sweet. I thought I put the video in a shorts. I don't see it. I recorded the video and posted it on my channel and I don't see it. Then I guess I messed around and deleted the footage by mistake. So earlier today I recorded an unboxing of the new products that I purchased. Okay, so I even swatched them on the back of my hand so that you all can see the difference. And then tomorrow, if I would have had to work overtime, then I would have came in tomorrow and did it. Most likely, I don't know, but the light isn't good because it's overcast. And one day, whether it's at home or whatever, I'm gonna get some good lighting. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead before the shutter pulls up and get started, and then post it. So the first product I purchased is the I Am Magic Duo Density Makeup Sponge 2. Okay, so it has 5 functions. And here are the 5 functions down here that I cannot read. Okay. Blend, conceal, sculpt, set, finish. Okay. So I made it through. It also depends on the light. Okay. I don't know what this is. I don't know if this is a J and a P. I don't know. And this is the pink side, almost magenta, and this is the orange. Okay, so the other one is yellow right here, but it's the same sponge. So I got that. I'll get the other one. If it goes on sale. The next one I got is this tapered brush, and it is the tapered powder brush, the I Am Magic. This lady is walking, and if I see this lady walking and I see this shuttle coming, she get on that shuttle, I'm gonna report her. I hate to do it. Right here, brown and green. Okay, and it's an actual brush. It's a brush. I thought it was like a sponge. It's nice, dense, and soft. Okay, I like Juvias Places brush. I do, and it's tapered. It needs washing because it has like a chemical smell, but very faint. The next one is the I Am Magic Flat Top Foundation Brush. Same color. I also have this. Now, why is she going down there? Instead of coming to get me, then go down there. But anyway, this is a flat top, but it's kind of angled a little bit like a kabuki. And it's a brush as well. Okay, and I have this also in the coral and white. Okay, this is just a different color from the first version of it. Okay. Oh no. Okay. Oh Lord. Alright. This one is the Juvias I Am Magic Powder Foundation in the shade Katsina Dark number 2. And this is the mirror. And we just gonna swatch it right quick with our finger. Okay, this is the back side of my hand. Okay, in this natural light, overcast. So we're gonna go ahead and just. This foundation is hard pan, like they said. Okay, and so that you all can see. Now in certain light, when I tell you it looks dark, it's a little kick up. Okay, and that's Katsina. Now it looks too light. It looks too light right here. Now why would she go down there? Okay. And this is and maybe I'll get a chance to do the video for y'all this weekend. I'm not sure, because I'll probably have my granddaughter. Now on my face, because they say powder does turn dark, it seems a shade darker. But it seems lighter for some reason in this light on the back of my hand. And then this is the I Am Magic Natural Radiant Foundation. It says shake. And then we just gonna squeeze a little bit on the back of our hand. And this is a large tube. I didn't realize it. So this is where the product starts, and it fits within the palm of my hands. And this is how wide it is. This is very large. At first, watching everybody else do their videos, I was like, that looks small. So that's it. And I put it right there with the other one. Let me get on this side and just rub it in. And we'll see. It smells good to me. I know people complained. People complain about it. So this is the side where I put the powder, because I put the liquid on top of it. And then this is the side right here where I put the Radiant foundation. This one looks too warm. This one looks too light on my hand. So we'll have to try these on the face. And I'm gonna be honest. So I got the Radiant foundation. I got the powder foundation. It is hard pan. Why? I don't know. I have the sponge. I have the flat top. The tapered brush. And I have the flat top brush. So I can't wait to try these out. Now at home,